Oh, and real quick, if you're enjoying this video or just like learning about new Porsches, click here to subscribe.
Unfinished. I really should call that the LNP 2000 spec. With the Model 1 logos on the front white, yeah, with the carbon with the white logos on it. That was hugely impressive last night. It is Rennsport competition. They're on site this week, and we had the semi-final last night.
Thanks for checking out this video, and for more original automotive content that you cannot find anywhere else, click here to subscribe.